in intersection E5, E6. Two outcomes will be there. There would be a probability of A. Probability of A. How many outcomes are there in A? 1, 2. And out of 8 outcomes, 1 upon 4, PB. In B, 6 outcomes are there. 6 upon 8. So 2 coincide with the 6. And P intersection B. How many outcomes? 2 upon 8. 1 upon 4. So therefore P A given B. P A given B, what is P A given B? P A intersection B upon P B. We have to find getting the number greater than 4. So 1 upon 2 upon P B upon 4. What is the answer? What is the answer?
1 upon 3.
Check the answer.
Correct.
Correct, sir.
Correct.
Now question number 13. Question. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. If E is the event, that card drawn is a king or an ace. So it is given E such that event of getting king or an ace. Event of getting a king or an ace. And second they are giving F is the event card drawn is an ace or a jack. So you can write F as the event of getting an ace or a jack. Clear? So therefore an NS, so therefore NE that can be what will be any number of elements in the set E.
Sir, 8 upon 52. 8. Sir, 8.
How many? 8. Correct.
8.
8. And 8.
Sir, 8.
Okay. And E intersection S. E intersection S. E intersection S. How many?
4.
4.
4.
This is common. 4. And NS equals
52.
52. 52. N is equal to 52. Therefore, PE will be 8 upon 52. 4 40 2 PF 8 upon 52. 4 2 4 P intersection N 4 upon 52. 1 upon 13. Therefore, what is the given event? Find the probability P is given at you have to find.
Yeah.
Therefore, P is given as P intersection N upon PF. P intersection N 1 upon 13 and PF is 2 upon 13. 13 is 1 upon 2. Check the answer.
Correct.
Clear? Next is question number 16. Given that two numbers appearing on throwing two dice are different, okay, find the probability that event that sum of the numbers on the die is 4. What is the given event in this question? What is the given event in this question?
Sir, getting a sum greater than 9.
Yes, no, it is not. The numbers are different. Given that two numbers appearing on the on throwing two dice are different, it is given event. Numbers are not doublet. They are not same. 1 is not there, 2 is not there, 3 is not there, 4 is not there, 5 is not there, 6 is not there. Have you got? Have you got?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So you can suppose this time NS will be 36. 2 dice you are throwing. Okay. Let 8 such that event of getting the numbers on 2 dice, event of getting the different numbers on 2 dice, event of getting the different numbers on 2 dice. Be such that find the ordinate sum of the numbers. Event of getting the sum of the numbers to be 4. Even that sum of the numbers is 4. Sum of the numbers is 4. So then and K Number of elements in set A. How many elements will be there?
30.
Yes, who
Sir,
told?
30.
Who told?
Dogs.
The 30 different numbers. And B. Some of the numbers is 4. So differently you can take some of the numbers is 4. How many numbers are making the sum 4? How many numbers are making the sum 4?
Sir, 2.
Only 2 numbers.
Sir, yes.
3 and 3, 1. One, 3 and 3, 1.
Sir, please. Sir, please speak again. Sir, please speak again.
Yes. How many we have to take? Any other can tell?
Sir, 3.
3 is 3. Which 3?
Sir, 2, 2.
Huh?
Sir, 2. Sir,
Who
1,
gave
3
the
and 3. Sir, 1, 3 and 3, 1.
Okay, and who gave the answer? 3 numbers will be there. One person gave the answer.
Sir, Nikita.
Nikita, tell 3 numbers. Which 3 numbers?
Sir, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1.
Yes, all 3 we have to take because it is a separate event. Event that some of the numbers is 4. So out of S means out of 36 members, you have to see how many players are there whose sum is 4. So 3 numbers are there. Therefore, can intersection be now common? And intersection B. 2 are common. This Suryanshi was saying 1, 3 and 3, 1. They are different numbers. So 2. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, PA will be 36. PB will be 3 upon 36. 1.7 and PA is 50. 2 upon 36. 1 upon 18. Therefore, finally, some of the numbers on the 94 would be that P, B, B1A. B, B1A and B intersection A upon PA. B intersection A upon PA. Intersection is this line 1 upon 18. And PA is coming 5 upon 6. Circle के 1 upon 18 multiplied by 6 upon 5. 63 by 18 1 upon 15. That.
Correct.
Next 19. Question number 19. It is given one ticket is selected at random from 50 tickets numbered 00, 01, 02 up to 49. The probability that sum of the digits on the selected ticket is 8. Then the probability should not be there. Event should be there. Then the event sum of the digit on the selected ticket is 8. Given that product of these digits is 0 is equal to probability you have to find. You can take NS. What will be NS? Number of elements in sample space.
50.
50. Like A such that event of getting the sum 8 of the digits. Event of getting the sum of the digits. To be 8. B such that product of these digits is 0. So event of getting the product of the digits is to be 0. To be 0. That and how many numbers are there? In which
Five.
sum of the digits is 8.
5. 5.
How many?
5.
5 only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 5. 081726 3544.
Yes. Then 5 numbers are there only.
0817
Yes, sir.
26
Only 5 numbers. Said yes, sir. 08 count. 08. One number. 17.
17.
26.
6
35.
35
44. How many?
4.
Only 4 numbers.
Sir, 5. Sir, no, now you have said
4.
sorry, 5.
5
numbers
number
are there.
are there.
5, 3.
Sir, only 5 are.
Huh?
Sir,
49
5
number
are
are
there.
only.
Sir,
So
5
4 we can take, 5 3 we cannot take, but 4 can be taken.
Sir, 5
4
are.
can be taken because 44 is there. Is it or not?
Sir, yes.
And
Yes, sir.
okay, so 01, oh sorry, 08, 17,
26 35
5, and 44. So 5 numbers are there only. Yes, correct.
Yes, sir.
5 numbers are there. So you can write 5. And B, product of the digit is 0. Product of the digit is 0. How many numbers? 0 first number.
Sir, 13.
So 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, 09 and 10 and 20 and 30 and 40. How many are coming?
13. 13.
13
Sir, 13.
14 should come. 0, 0, 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, 09, 10, 20,
Sir, yes, sir. For in our computer.
40. 40 number should come. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's go to common number to tell. Common
Sir,
number
08.
08 only there.
1.
1.
Okay. So 1. So therefore, create 5 upon 50. 1 upon 10. PE 14 upon 50. 7 upon 29. P8 intersection P. P8 intersection P. 1 upon 50. So therefore, you have to find then probability, then sum of the digit is 8. Sum of the digit is 8, A given B. P, A given B you have to find. And given that probability is 0. So P, A intersection B upon PB. What is the intersection? 1 upon 50. And PB is, PB you can write 14 upon 50. 14 upon 50. 50 cancel. 1 upon 14. Check the answer. You can check the answer.
Correct.
So understood, this was the exercise 18B. Now 18C. In 18C, what you are going to study, as we can discuss, wait, 18C, independent events are there. Independent and dependent events. So listen, two or more events, they are said to be independent if occurrence of one event does not affect the occurrence of other event. Are you getting what I said?
No.
Who said no? Daksh. You are not able to hear.
No, sir, network problem was there.
Problem was there, then don't say no. I'm saying my words. If you are able to hear, then you can say yes or no. If net problem is there, then don't say no. Listen, I said two or more events, they are said to be independent if occurrence of one does not affect the occurrence of other event. Suppose that you are tossing a coin, okay, and suppose you are asking head will come, and suppose head doesn't come, then you say you take one more chance. So in first chance, when head is not coming, it means that in second chance head will not come.
No, sir.
Because they are independent events. Occurrence of first event does not affect the occurrence of other event. In first trial, if you are tossing a coin, in first trial, head is coming or not, that is not the matter. But in second trial, you are free. Again, head may come or tail may come, which you are asking. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
such type of events, one more example I will take. Suppose we are taking the example, suppose I give to you 5 questions to solve on the board. And Daksh solves the problem, and you can take Sarthak. Sarthak solves the problem. So if Daksh is solving the problem, so it means that Sarthak will not solve.
Sir, no. He will also solve.
If suppose that Sarthak solves all the problems correctly, so it means that Anam will not solve correctly.
Sir, no, she will solve.
Yes. So such type of events are called independent events. Such type of events are called independent events. And one more thing you have to keep in the mind, the events which are not mutually exclusive, they can be classified as independent or dependent events. The events which are not mutually exclusive, they can be classified as dependent or independent events. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, dependent events. Suppose you are drawing a card from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards, and you are not replacing it. If you are not replacing it, it means that, and another card you are drawing. So probability will be affected or not.
Yes.
Yes.
If you are replacing the card,
Then it will not.
then it will not. Okay. So if you are replacing, then it will become independent event, and if you are not replacing, then it will become
Dependent.
dependent event. Clear? So now some oral
Yes, sir.
questions are there. You can see in the book. Tossing head 3 times in a row. Page number 1819. Tossing heads 3 times in a row. Page number 1819.
Independent.
It is dependent or independent?
Independent.
Independent. Because 3 times head it may come if 3 times you are tossing a coin. Clear? Means every trial is free. It is not dependent on previous trial. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Such
Yes,
type
sir.
of questions you can see in the book. And tomorrow I will proceed next exercise 18C. So thank you very much. You can leave the class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.